In the following video, I'll demonstrate the different ways you can view your layer of securities for your VPCs. Once your environments have been imported, you'll see your VPCs here. If you click on one of your diagram tiles, it will take you over to our infrastructure view. With Hava's infrastructure view, we have some interactive features so you can have a quick overview of your security. I'll start with the web application firewall. If your VPC has web application firewall, you'll see it displayed on the diagram. By clicking on the icon, you will show the connection between the web application firewall and the load balancers. You can also see the rules, types, and actions set. Moving over to our security group highlighting feature, by clicking within your VPC environment or on the security icon here, on the right you'll see displayed your security groups. By clicking on the drop down, you'll see a list of the security groups attached to this particular VPC. By hovering your mouse over the security group names, it will highlight all the resources that a particular security group is connected to. Here is a security group called Demo All Servers. By clicking on this, you will see how they're able to speak to each other. On the right, you can look here and see that there is a restriction on ingress, and with egress, they can talk to each other openly however they want. That is a good way of being able to look at their restrictions. We've also got a highlighting feature for route tables. For example, you can hover over your route table name, demo public route, and see the traffic comes from the internet and the VPN gateway, and it's routed to the appropriate public subnet. By clicking on the name, you will see the route table configuration. Again, with the network ACL, you can hover your mouse over the name and highlight the associated subnet. Here we have the AWS default ACL. By clicking on the ACL name, we can see which traffic is allowed to the subnets. This is a quick overview of what can be done with our infrastructure overview from a security aspect. Now I'll move over to our more detailed security view by clicking on the drop-down view list here. Once you're in here, you'll see each one of these rows is a particular security group that belongs to this VPC. The arrows that you see between them have actually been derived from the security group rules that belong to those security groups, so you'll see which security groups can speak to another. So what you're actually able to see is from the internet to the security group demo HTTPS external service. It allows TCP port 443. Same goes for here, demo RDS client is allowing traffic from TCP port 3306 into the demo RDS server security group. So this view is showing at a group level the different security groups and how they're able to communicate, what traffic is allowed between them and what port. Exporting to CSV and JSON would give you the ability to be able to see the relationship between the security groups, which is ideal if you get asked by an auditor, can you show us that there is no way to be able to get out or into these systems?